What's up, world? Thanks for jumping in for another ride. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to check the transmission fluid on your forward edge with a 6F50 transmission. So let's get started. So to gain access to the transmission dipstick, what you're going to need to do is remove the air filter housing that would be sitting right here, just in front of the battery, on the driver's side of the forward edge. So I've gone ahead and loosened these hose clamps, and so you can see that I just have the boots hanging out there. Down below where the housing would be sitting is the transmission case. You can see our linkage that goes back to the shifter going down to the transmission. And just to the front of the vehicle sits the dipstick right here. Now make sure that you note that this arrow faces to the front of the vehicle. So it's facing the front of the forward edge and it's marked in yellow. And so that is going to be our transmission dipstick. So it just loosens like so, pulls up, and it'll look just like any other oil dipstick. And so it has hash marks at the bottom. And so when you check your level, you're just going to wipe it off, make sure that your level is up to the top of the hash marks, and go ahead and reinstall your dipstick like so. And if you put the arrow out to about, I guess it would be like the 2 o'clock position, and just turn it to the right, it'll end in the right spot facing back towards the front of the vehicle. So that is the quick procedure to check the transmission fluid level on your 6-speed automatic 6F50 model Ford transmission. So listen, I really do hope you got some good information out of this video, or I hope you just enjoy hanging out in the shop with us. If you got any information out of this, or you enjoyed hanging out with us, you know the deal. Go ahead and hit thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. As always, jump in for another ride.